Hello friends, today we will learn about how to overwrite plugins in Joomla 4. So let's start. First we have to log in backend side of Joomla by enter your username and password. So now you can see this is the dashboard of Joomla 4, and as we know we have to override plugins. So we have to go in the template of Joomla site. So click on system and open your site templates. This is the default template that is set for front end. Click on it and now you are enter in editor. This is the editor of this template, and you know we have already explained in recent video. This is the HTML folder where all overrides files are existed here. So now this video we have to override plugins for modules and component. We have already created video. You can check on our playlist. This is the whole playlist for Joomla4 tutorials. So please follow this playlist to learn about basics of Joomla 4. And if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel for further more information. Now let's start again. Come back here. This is the plugins. Right now here only 4 types of plugins installed: content, fields, installer, two-factor authentication. That is already inbuilt plugins. So right now I have not using any third-party plugins. So for example, let me override this plugin. For confirmation, you can see here no any other plugin overwrite it. So let me content. So now we create override for page navigation. I have just clicked it. Now you can see the message override created and the HTML folder with the name of plugin content page navigation. Check here. You can see plug content pagination. Here default.php exists. So override has created successfully. Now we have to test how it works. First, this is the very easy thing to test. Where is coming? Hello. Okay, I'll save it. Yeah, I got it. This is the page. This is pagination. That is the under. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is the page navigation. Next or previous. This is coming from plugin page navigation. Let me show you which one. Let me show you the plugin system extension plugins. These are the plugin search page. It will come here. Page caches, disable, page break, page navigation. This is the plugin page navigation. If we will click on disable, then this features button will hide. Yeah, everything is hide. Now let me enable. This is showing, and our, because I have not save it. So if we want to change HTML, so we can change HTML from here. So it happens sometime client don't like this, or want to something special color or something else, so they can be changed. But I'd like it this design, so I would like not do anything. But this is actually my concern, is that how you can overwrite without interrupt any core files of plugin also, like a temp module, like template, like component view. We can overwrite everything in here. So this is the way how you can create overrides. So this is the plugin override method, and next video we will learn about how you can override layout. And it is very good if you understand yourself while looking this is the same pattern. You can override layout as well. So thanks for watching, and keep sharing, and keep subscribing my channel. We will meet again in next video, and please comment how you feel and how you learn, what you learn in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.